Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights. If you're passionate about cars and love staying updated with the newest models hitting the roads, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our updates. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Lexus LS 400, a luxury sedan that blends elegance, power, and innovation into a premium driving experience. Stay with us until the end of the video for all the details and to make sure you don't miss anything important about this top-tier sedan. Starting under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LS 400 is expected to come with a powerful V8 engine that offers a perfect mix of smoothness and strength. With a displacement that delivers ample horsepower, the engine is designed to provide impressive acceleration and refined performance. The torque output ensures the vehicle pulls effortlessly in every driving situation, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic. Paired with this engine is an advanced automatic transmission system, likely offering 8 or more gears for smoother gear shifts and improved fuel efficiency. The transmission works seamlessly to provide the right balance between comfort and performance, giving drivers a commanding feel on the road. When it comes to drive type, the 2026 LS 400 is expected to continue with a rear-wheel drive configuration, which enhances driving dynamics and balance. Some trims might offer all-wheel drive as an option for those looking for extra traction in various weather conditions. The handling experience of the LS 400 has always been one of its strong points, and with Lexus constantly refining their suspension systems, you can expect an independent suspension setup with adaptive damping. This ensures a smooth and composed ride over all kinds of surfaces. The steering system, likely to be rack and pinion with power assist, ensures accurate control with a natural feel that makes highway cruising and city maneuvering equally enjoyable. The dimensions of the LS 400 reflect its full-size luxury sedan status. With a generous length, wide stance, and a long wheelbase, it provides excellent road presence and interior space. The sleek body lines and attention to exterior detailing give the car a commanding yet sophisticated look. The 2026 version might include modern touches like redesigned LED headlights, a bold grille, and premium alloy wheels, offering a fresh take while retaining the LS heritage. Inside the cabin, the Lexus LS 400 continues to deliver unmatched luxury. Seating capacity is for 5 adults with ample room in both rows. High-quality materials like premium leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and real wood or aluminum trim are expected to be standard. Heated and ventilated seats, both in front and rear, offer all-season comfort, while options like massaging front seats and multi-zone climate control elevate the driving experience further. The rear seats in some trims might come with additional features such as power recline and memory settings, emphasizing the chauffeur-driven appeal of this flagship sedan. The infotainment system in the 2026 LS 400 is expected to feature a large high-resolution touchscreen with an intuitive interface. Features likely include satellite radio, an integrated CD player for those who still enjoy physical media, Bluetooth connectivity, and a built-in navigation system. The sound system will probably be a premium unit, such as a Mark Levinson audio setup, delivering studio-quality audio throughout the cabin. Smartphone integration, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports ensure all your devices stay connected and powered on the go. Safety has always been a top priority for Lexus, and the LS 400 is no exception. The 2026 model is expected to come with a comprehensive suite of safety features including multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking will enhance safety and give the driver peace of mind. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system are likely to assist with low-speed maneuvering in tight parking spaces. Braking performance is another strong point, with the LS 400 expected to feature 4-wheel disc brakes with sizable rotors for optimal stopping power. The braking system might also include regenerative capabilities for hybrid versions, which helps improve efficiency by capturing energy during deceleration. Luxury goes beyond just the basics in the LS 400. Expect other features such as a power sunroof, ambient lighting, power adjustable windows and locks, keyless entry with push-button start, and a fully digital instrument cluster that displays vital information in a clean, customizable layout. Cruise control, both standard and adaptive, enhances long-distance driving comfort. There may also be driving modes to adjust steering, throttle, and suspension characteristics, giving the driver control over the driving experience. In addition to standard luxury appointments, Lexus often offers special editions and optional trim packages. These might include sport-tuned suspensions for better handling, unique alloy wheel designs, and exclusive interior color combinations. Exterior updates like chrome accents, a sport grille, and integrated rear spoilers might also be available to give the LS400 a distinctive look. It's also worth noting any updates made to the LS400 for the 2026 model year. While full details are yet to be officially confirmed, expect refinements in technology, enhancements in ride comfort, and possibly even improvements in fuel economy through hybrid or mild hybrid powertrain options. Lexus is known for making incremental changes that refine rather than revolutionize, so loyal customers will likely feel right at home while appreciating the new touches. To sum it up, the 2026 Lexus LS 400 continues to carry the legacy of a luxury sedan that doesn't compromise. It's a complete package of elegance, performance, comfort, and safety, wrapped in a design that remains timeless. Whether you're a longtime Lexus fan or someone considering a premium sedan for the first time, the LS 400 stands out as a top contender in its class. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Auto Drive community for more in-depth reviews, automotive news, and comparisons. Your support helps us grow and keeps you updated with everything happening in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and drive safe.